Have you ever felt like investing is only for the rich? Like you need thousands of dollars, a finance degree, or insider knowledge to get started? Well, here's the truth. You can start building wealth with just $100 a month. No tricks, no get-rich-quick schemes. Just time, patience, and a simple plan. Imagine this. You invest $100 a month for 30 years. That's $36,000 a total. But if you earn just an 8% average return, your portfolio could grow to more than $140,000. And if you increase that amount over time, the results can be life-changing. So how do you actually get started? Step 1. Open a brokerage account. This is where your investments will live. Think of it like opening a savings account, but one that actually grows your money. Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab are excellent beginner-friendly platforms. They offer no account fees, no minimums, and you can sign up completely online. Now, step 2. Choose what to invest in. With only $100 per month, you don't want to waste it on risky bets or expensive management fees. The best move? Low-cost index ETFs. These funds hold hundreds of top companies in one basket. You instantly get diversification without needing to pick stocks. One of the most popular options is the S&P 500 index. It includes giants like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Tesla. You can buy into it through ETFs like VO, IVV, or SPLG. All of them have low fees and strong long-term performance. Here's another great choice. Dividend-focused ETFs like SCHD or VYM. These pay you cash every quarter, which you can reinvest. That's called compounding, and it's one of the most powerful forces in investing. Step 3. Automate it. Set up an automatic monthly transfer from your bank to your brokerage. Each month, $100 goes in and buys the ETF you picked. You don't have to think about it, time the market, or make emotional decisions. It just happens, in the background, while you live your life. Now let's talk about mindset. Most people never start because they feel like $100 is pointless. But here's what they miss. It's not about the dollar amount. It's about the habit. If you can invest $100 a month, you can eventually invest $200, then $300 and more. The earlier you build the habit, the more powerful it becomes. And let's be honest, we waste $100 every month without even noticing. Streaming services, takeout, random Amazon purchases, but $100 invested monthly can build your freedom, your security, and your future. Let's look at 3 different cases. Case 1. You start at 25 and invest $100 a month at 8% annual return. By 55, you'll have over $140,000. Case 2, you wait until 35. You'll end up with just about $60,000, less than half. Case 3, you wait until 45. Now you only get around $25,000. The difference isn't how much you invested, it's how long your money had to grow. This is why starting early matters so much. And if the market drops, don't panic. Market declines are normal. In fact, they're opportunities. Every dip means you're buying more shares at a lower price. Keep investing, and over time, you'll come out stronger. Here's one more thing. Avoid high fees. Stay away from expensive mutual funds or financial advisors who charge big commissions. A 1% fee might sound small, but over 30 years it can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Index ETFs typically have fees as low as 0.03%. That means more money stays in your pocket. The key is consistency, month after month. Let your money grow quietly in the background. That's how real wealth is built. Not in a sprint, but in a marathon. So if you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. Start with $100, build the habit, and let time do the rest. If this helped you, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple investing tips every week. And remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. This video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.